Right, welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So, in the last class, we understand about different departments in the software companies. Okay, right. So, one more time, little bit, 1 or 2 minutes. I will try to brief that. Then after, we'll continue today class. So, each and every company, there will be sales department. That sales department persons will promote about our company, offline or online, so that they will get some leads. What is that, everybody? Leads, not clients directly, leads. So that persons will have a requirement. They want to develop an application, they will come, they will approach the company. Not only your company, they will approach tens of companies. One company, two company, three companies, so many companies they will approach. So they will speak with the sales persons first, because they are promoting by seeing any advertisement or anything. They will come to that offline or online. So they will tell they will tell about that our idea. Then after sales department persons, first of all explain about our company standards. Who are our clients? What type of services we have provided? What type of applications we are already did? So what is the feedback we are getting from the clients? Okay, how efficient people they have, how efficient employees they have. Everything they will tell about the company. Then after, if the lead is impressed, then he want to do a project with the company, but they don't pay the fee, pay the amount. So then what happens? So sales department persons cannot understand the business requirements. That is different department. So that sales department persons will move that lead to the business department. In the business department, there will be business analyst. There will be business analyst. So that business analyst will speak with that lead. What type of application they are expecting? What are the modules they are expecting? What are the functionality should be there in that module? Each and everything they will expect very clearly. So they will have calls. So many times they will speak, like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, maybe 10 times also. So finally they will finalize the application related requirements. Why? Because if we go out also, we need to finalize the destination. For example, we are feeling bored, we need to finalize the destination. Whether we need to go to movie or else a park or else just for shopping, whatever it may be. So just for small purpose also, if you want to go, you are having a requirement. You are having a plan. So whenever anybody want to develop an application also, they need to have the plan. That can be called as requirements. So who knows? The lead knows that requirement because he want to do the application. Understand it, everybody? Right. So they will have meetings, so many meetings. Then finally that requirements will be fulfilled. So then after that, business analyst will, whatever they spoke, they all convert into Word document. They will write in the Word document. Then after they will send it to the lead. So if he is satisfied with the requirements and everything, okay, we can proceed like that. He will green signal. Then after that, business requirements will send it to the different departments. Web application department, mobile application department, and each and every department has team leaders or different teams, and each and every team has TL, team leaders. And to coordinate all these departments, there will be project manager. To coordinate all these departments, there will be project manager. So project manager will speak with all these persons. Understand, everybody? Right. So they are the project. First of all, this business analyst will send the requirements to the project manager. Project manager will go through the requirements and he has some basic idea how much time it will take to complete. Then after, he will send the requirements to the different department related teams. Who is free time, or else who is sufficient, who is efficient to complete the application. Everything they will finalize. Then after that requirements, he will send it to that particular teams, and he will give 1 or 2 days time also. Then the team leaders and senior employees will go through the requirements one more time. Then after 2 days, they will conduct a meeting. Why? To finalize the deadline of the application and to finalize the deadline of each and every module. First 1 month, which modules will be completed. Next 2 months, which modules will be completed, like that. So totally, how many years it will take to complete the application, and each and every module, how much it will complete. Everything they will finalize by talking. So then after, what they will do, they will send this entire thing to the sales department. Then sales department person will finalize the quotation of the project. How many persons are working, how many years are working, and what is the each and every module cost, how many people are working, how much power they are consuming, everything they will calculate. Laptops cost also they will calculate. then they will send the quotation. Understand everybody? Then they will send the quotation. So then negotiations will happen. For example, he quotation like 2 crores. Client will ask for 1 crore. Then after they will finalize at the 1.5 crore. Understand it, everybody? Right. This is how they will finalize. Clear or not? Respond everyone? Right. So then after what happens? Then they will start the project. Who will start the project? UX designer will start the project. What is it, everybody? UX designer. Okay. See, UX is not part of the course. UI only is our part of course, but just for knowledge purpose and really. UX means what? User experience. What is it, everybody? User experience. So first of all, they will send the client side worker who will start. User experience person will start. They will go through all the requirements. They will go through all the requirements. Then after they will finalize a plan of the application. That plan in 2 parts. One is wireframe, that means purely plan. Second one is the implementation of the plan. That is called markup. Once that both are approved by the client, then they will convert that markup into a web page. To convert that markup into a web page, we need to have HTML and CSS. To add dynamic behavior to that web page, we need to use JavaScript or jQuery. To make that web page responsive, we need to use Bootstrap. Okay, right. So now I will show you one more time example for wireframes and markups. Okay, right. One example I will show you. See it, everybody. This is what wireframe. What is this? Plan only. Okay, here left side menu will come, center logo will come, right side search will come. Then after profile related image, profile related name, profile related details, and profile related social media applications. Then after profile related post, that post related likes count, shares count, hash means count, comments count, and this is the requirements they are having. What is that? Camera. So they are displaying here. See this symbol, whatever you are seeing here, this is symbols an image. What is that, everybody? Image. In future there will image will come like that. So camera they require an icon, chart they require an icon. Then after home, alerts, settings. See it, everybody. The markup. This is the wireframe. This is purely plan. Now observe the markup. See it. Left side menu. See it. Left side is what? Menu. Center logo. So center logo. Right side search. Then after profile related image, name, details, social media links, profile related post, that related likes, shares, comments. See it, they are not writing here, please take photo by using this camera like that. Just they are displaying here camera. We will understand. Okay, we can get okay. Okay, if you want to take the photo, we need to use this camera. This thing, what is that? Chart. Chart with whom we will do? Human only. That's why they are displaying with human icon on the home page. Alerts, that means notifications and settings. That's so this is wireframe and this is markup. Once both are approved by the client, then we need to use HTML and CSS to convert this into a web page. Okay, everybody, right? So understand, right? Hari, respond.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, right. Then after by using HTML and CSS, what we can do? We can create the web page. Web page is nothing but user interface where user can interact with our application. That is called user interface. This is user experience only. For example, if you say this, what is this? This is user experience. By saying this, we can experience something. For example, if we click here, can you search anything? Can you click here? Can you search anything? No, no, we cannot search. This is the image. This is image only. By saying this, okay, search functionality will come here like that. Basic information, basic experience we will get. But if you want to really search, we need to have an interface. There should be some text box, something like that. Then only we are able to search. So by using HTML and CSS, we can provide the user interface by creating a web page. Okay, everybody? Right. Now, okay, right. Now, what is HTML? What is HTML? So now I'm going to tell you that. Give me a second, kindly. Right. First of all, if you want to learn anything, who developed the technology? What is the purpose of the technology? Why we need to use the technology? First of all, we need to learn that. Then after we need to know about what is HTML, what is the technology and everything. Okay. So first of all, who developed this HTML? Who developed HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. He is the great programmer. He developed the HTML. Understand it, everybody? Okay, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Right. If anybody develops anything also, there should be some purpose. For example, you are coming to my class. Why? To know about my subject and what are the things I will teach like that. So there is a purpose. So here also he developed the HTML. Then there must be some purpose. What is the purpose? So why HTML was developed? To create a web pages or website. To create web pages or website. Then after, what is a website? What is a website? Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains the information. What is that, everybody? Collection of web pages. Why collection of web pages? For example, you want to read a book. You want to read a book. So whenever you want to read a book, they will write all the information in a single page. Respond, everybody. They will write all the information in a single page. No, they will divide that information into chapters, and each and every chapter they will divide into paragraphs, and each and every chapter they will divide into empty page. There will be some empty page also to divide each and every chapter also. And after completion of all these things, then after they will finally make the index, which chapter is in which page, like that, where it is starting, where it is ending. So what is the advantage? Whoever reads that book, they will feel comfortable. For example, today I have purchased a book, 1 to 10 pages I have read. If there is no index, what happens? I don't know which up to which page I have read, what chapter I have closed. Numbers easily I can remember the chapters also, page numbers also, and the second day whenever I open, okay, where I need to start again. Getting my voice, Hari? Respond, please.
Yes, sir. I get it.
Okay, right. So they're not writing entire information in a single page. What they are doing, they were dividing into multiple pages, multiple chapters, each and every chapter also into multiple paragraphs, so that whoever reads, they will feel comfortable. In the same way, if anybody develops a website or a web application, whatever it may be, if they are developing also, they don't write entire information in a single page. For example, Mintra is there, they don't display entire all the products in a single page. What they will do, first of all, in the home page, they will display some basic categories. Then after, whenever you click that related products only, they will display. Whenever you click on the t-shirts, they don't display at least shirts also. Pants and jeans, however, they don't display. At least they don't display shirts also. They will display only t-shirts. Whenever you click on the t-shirts, they will display only t-shirts. Understanding that, everybody? Right? Why? Because it will be convenient to the user. Whatever the user purchase, whatever he wish, that is the freedom we need to give. Understanding or not? Okay, so that's why we need to divide our website into multiple web pages. But all the web pages belongs to what? One particular application that can be called as website or web application. Okay, everybody? Right. There is two terminologies: website and web application. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between website and web application? Okay, right. How are you? What is the difference between website and web application? So website, see, there is two evolutions in the web industry: web 1.0, web 2.0. Whenever there is web 1.0, then everything is called as websites, the site where you can find the information in the web, where you can find the information in the web. That means in the website you will get only information. Most probably that may be static or dynamic, whatever it may be, just you will find the information, just you can read the information. You cannot interact with the application. You cannot interact with the application. Just you will click on A page. Then after you can go to the B page. Then after you can go to the C page. Whatever it may be, there will be some information. So that is called as websites. That can be multiple pages also. But in the web 1.0, you will find only information. But in the web 2.0, what happened? Web applications came. That means there will be interaction with the application also, website also. There will be interaction with the website, that is called web application. Okay, for example, Facebook is there, you can search from some profiles, or else you can send a friend request to some profiles. They may accept, or else they may reject, or else they may block also, or else they may want to chat with you, video call with you, audio call with you, whatever it may be. Understand it, everybody? So what is that? You are interacting with the application. Okay, everybody, that all comes under Web 2.0. So if there is communication is happening between two persons through the website, that can be called as web application. Okay, everybody, if there is an interaction with the application also, or else if there two persons are communicating, everything also comes under Web 2.0, can be called as web applications only. That is the difference between websites and web applications. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hari?
Clear.
Okay, right. For example, Naukri.com is there. Okay, these things also there. Myntra.com is there. What is that? That is also web applications. Sir, we are not chatting. Sir, we are not chatting. Yeah, we are not chatting. We are not making video calls. We are not making audio calls. Then how it can be called as web application? See, not only chatting, not only video calling, audio calling can be called as Web 2.0 or web applications. If there is communication, if there is business is going on, that application also can be called as Web 2.0. For example, there will be Naukri.com. So can you search for any profiles? Can you download anyone's resume? No. We need to register as a vendor, or else we need to register as a HR. Okay, by paying some money. 1 month they will give 10,000, 20,000 they will charge. So in that 1 month 10,000, in that 1 month we need to pay 10,000 or 20,000. Then daily they will give permission to download 100 resumes or 200 resumes, like that. That many resumes only we can download. Okay, so then we can get that. So that what is happening, some business is going on through that Naukri. That is one thing. And second thing is somebody will post a job, somebody will apply a job. That means how they are communicating through the application. How the communication is happening through the application, directly or indirectly through the application. Understand, everybody? Respond please. Okay, right. And this is Naukri. Then after Myntra also, what is that? For example, there will be lot of products. See it, everyone. I will show you one example. Anybody feeling bored? Bored? Are you feeling bored? How are you?
No.
Yes. See it? Myntra.com. These are basic things we need to know before starting the course actually. Okay, right. Give me a second. Can you purchase this product? No. See here, everybody. There are lot of products. Can you upload your own product here? Can you upload your own product here? No. You are also not able to upload. You are also not able to upload. Me also not able to upload. Then how these products are coming? Somebody has to upload, right? In order to see these products here, somebody has to upload. Okay. Each and every product does not upload by the Myntra company owner. Understanding or not? Myntra company owner, each and every product they don't apply. They don't upload. Then why are we getting these products? How we are getting the products? Okay, so we are not upload the products, but if you register as a user, but whenever you register as a vendor, then you can upload the products also. Sir, I will register as a vendor. Is it okay? No. Whenever you want to register as a vendor, they will ask all the legal information. What is your PAN card number? What is your GST number? Everything they will ask. Everything they will verify. Then only they will give permission to as a vendor. And if there is no negative feedback, up to then you can sell the products. Whenever there is too many negative feedback, too many things are coming, then they will block you also. So they have every right also. Okay, so registering as a vendor, uploading the products, getting the, so if you are selling through Myntra, what we suppose I am registering as a vendor. I am selling through Myntra. Myntra is not my application, but I am selling through Myntra. Is it free? No. You need to pay some commission to the Myntra. We need to pay some commission to the Myntra. So there is also business is happening, and I am paying the fee. I am paying the money. Whom I will pay? I am thinking that I have to the client. Maybe that money first will go to the Myntra, then only it will go to the user by cutting the commission. Client, maybe vendor. So there is some business is going on. So this also comes under web application. And if there is anything is happening, we can chat with the persons also. So there is also a little bit communication also there. So there is all comes under web applications. So these are all comes under web 2.0. What is it, everybody? Web 2.0. Okay, sir, why are you teaching about this vendors, business related things? Why we are software engineers? See, if you want to become successful software engineer, not only your work, you need to have basic knowledge about other works also. And not only that, basic knowledge about the software applications also. Basic knowledge about the software applications. Then only you can survive in the software industry. Or else you don't understand what purpose you are programming, why you are developing the application like that. Understand, right? For example, they will ask you to develop the user authentication. Then after they will add the vendor authentication. So what is vendor? What is vendor? If you are thinking like that, you cannot grow. So we need to know about at least what is the purpose of the e-commerce, what are the modules, what are the functionality will be there. All those things at least we need to have the basic idea. That's why I'm telling in the starting of the classes. Understand, right? So, but most probably in the software industry, what is happening is we are not having knowledge about at least software technologies also. Forget about other knowledge. We are not having at least software technology also. So somebody they don't know what are the different departments are available in software companies. They will think that only software engineers work in the software company, but there will be MBA graduates will be there, MBA postgraduates also will be there. They will work as a HR, they will work as a sales department, they will work as a business department also. They will work as a financial department also. So not only computer students, MBA students will be there, or some other commerce students also will be there, because they have to do the CA, chartered accountancy. So commerce persons also required. So software companies also required multiple types of persons. You need to understand that. Not only our software employees will be there. Understand, everybody? Right. We need to have that basic idea. That's what I'm saying. And I don't need, there is web 1.0, there is web 2.0 to teach like that. Ask any, at least they don't know what is the difference between website and web application. Both are same thing. They will think like that. That is not correct. Maybe you will get this type of questions in the interviews also. That's why I'm telling this. See, if you want to get job, okay, you will get job by attending 10 to 20 interviews, something like that. But if you want to get your desired job with high packages or anything, understand, right? For example, there is the shirt. This is 629. There is some shirts. There will be 4,000 also. There will be some shirts. Bespoke shirts we can call. That is what is that? Only for our body purpose only they will develop. They will charge 20,000, 40,000 also. Okay, so I also I also stitch a shirt for you. Do you pay the 40,000? No. You will see my work culture, my authenticity. Then only will pay the 40,000. Nobody will pay the 40,000 just for a shirt. In the same way, if you want to get high packages also, you need to have each and every detail. So what is the difference between this shirt and 4,000 shirt and 40,000 shirt? Details are different. Whoever charging 40,000, he knows each and every details related to that shirt. Why there is collar, why there is button, why the button is here, what type of buttons they are using, everything they have a purpose. And taking measurements also, they will take with a purpose. So details is very, very important. Okay, that's why I want to give this. Okay, right. Understand, right, Hari?
Yes, sir. Answered.
Hello. Okay, right. So I'm not boasting myself, but just I'm telling that just these things also there. Okay, right. Yeah. Website is nothing but collection of web pages and which contains the proper information. Okay, right. Then after, what is the purpose of the web page or website? So we are developing a website or web application, whatever it may be. There should be some purpose. However, you are coming to the demo, there should be some purpose. Whether he teach properly or not, what is the things he will teach, just with the basic things he have. So you want to clarify that, that's why you are coming to the demo class. If I satisfy within 1 or 2 days, you will pay the fee also. But there should be some that is purpose. What is that? Tell me what is the purpose of the website or website? How the web application